get your polar bear. Go get it. There he is. Yes! Got him.
And it's just learning how to crawl. Still trying to get it exactly. Want to try it again, Mom?
Okay.
See if she'll do it one more time.
Alright. Look, Mr. Polar Bear goes, Here he is. Can you go get him? Come here. Oh, come here. Go get him. Go get him.
Oh, that's some fast crawling right there. Got the wide leg crawl going on. And the belly flop?
Yeah. Grab him, roll over back.
Thank you. You want to be on tape?
No. Hey! Not nice. Zoom it out. Oh, she's gonna belly flop. Come here. Come see Mama.
Yeah, let's see if she'll come.
Come see Mama. Oh, you're just gonna roll. That's your preferred mode of transportation. Alright.
Oh, the dive.
Oh, she got back up.
Back up.